We have studied how some muscles are voluntary, which means we have to tell them to move, and how some muscles are involuntary, which means we don't have to even think about them moving. Have you ever wondered how your brain tells your muscles to move? The system that controls this messaging is called the nervous system. The brain is connected to the spinal cord, which runs down through your back. The spinal cord is made up of message highways called nerves that branch out to every part. Your brain has billions of tiny cells called neurons that relay information to one another. Much of learning is the process of the neurons making connections and pathways, like familiar roads in your thinking. Have you ever noticed that the first time you try something, it is typically very difficult? This is because the path or the road of neurons has not yet been cleared. However, the more frequently you travel this road, the easier the task will become. Can you think of something that was very difficult or confusing when you first tried it, yet as you continued, it became easier and easier? Can you think of something new you are working on right now that seems extremely difficult and frustrating? Now that you know a neuron road has to be created, do you think this task could get easier the more times you do it? What happens when you accidentally touch something with your hand that is very hot? How does your hand know to pull back so quickly? The nerves in your hand are responsible for sending the message, "Wow, that is really hot." The nerves are also responsible for sending the message, "Move off of that hot object."